If you are experiencing a problem where your firewall is preventing Google Chrome from accessing the internet, disabling your firewall is not the recommended solution. Chrome should not be blocked by your firewall, and there is a more effective way to resolve this. Begin by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click on the 3 vertical dots, and then select the Extensions option. Navigate to Manage Extensions. Within this section, carefully review your installed extensions. If you identify any extensions that might be causing problems, please remove them. After managing your extensions, click on the 3 vertical dots again. This time, go to Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select the Reset Settings option. Then, choose Restore Settings to their original default and proceed to restore the settings. This process is the primary solution for this issue, and it is strongly advised against disabling your firewall. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.